In this video, you will learn how to use Regions Bank budgeting tool online. Log into Regions Online Bank. Go to Regions Bank website where you can log in with your online banking credentials. Access budgeting tools. From your dashboard, navigate to the Insights or Money Management tab, where the budgeting features are all available. Connect to your account. Ensure your Regions account are linked. If allowed, add external accounts to get complete financial oversight. Set up a budget. Choose categories like groceries, rent, transportation or savings to allocate to your monthly spending goal. Track your spending, monitor transactions in real time, compare them against your budget to see where you stand each month. Adjust and improve. Review your monthly spending habits, adjust each category if you need to, and use insights to improve your money management skills. Now you know how to use Regions Bank budgeting tools online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.